Every day we have struggles in life. We have to choose a right path to fight our battles with. A lot of pressure comes in our life. We forget how to smile, how to be happy genuinely. Minsan napapaisip tayo kung bakit patanda tayo ng patanda ay lalong lulungkot ang buhay natin. We sometimes wish to go back when we were young, where there is magical and painless life. Our life is not easy, it's full of puzzles to work on. But sometimes, we also need to take a break from it. We need a time to unwind and relax. Magpahinga ka, tapos laban na uli. Huwag susuko, life is a full circle. Harapin lang ang hamon ng nakangiti. Don't rush, there's a perfect time for everything. My